MeghalayaPost.news.
Ubah sasana setun emle jirang bat ubadairu Myntri Sorkar Iaka mentakas ngilolet ban Plie no ek multi facility center kabalate shillong Byrnihat jinglot kablakon syakan riu polak tingkatam haba Plie ketika multi facility center Byrnihat nalor Myntri Sorkar nasakhiru jingdon Chakravarti Sadhu Director ke Community and Rural Development Abilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner Keriboy ba Eric Dekhar BDO Mlingblong ba Jaslin Sangkli rang ba shillong Byrnihat proper kino helam shillong bat kiriu paukman kathan Byrnihat haba kran ketika sengiu ba sasana setun lapan pau ke jingkman banyu i bagi projek lala ban pendap hakapor ke babiang berkamtam hak baide bak multi facility center Byrnihat hakaba ke jingla ban pendap kloy kelapan mentoi sikadai kipat ba Byrnihat ban nagamta gisnong ki bamarjan namar lengba ke jingtai lada don ki betemu ban penlong ye kinu ki program ni ki kam kawai dawai bakila ban penon kam hakate multi facility center hakawai pat kaliang ba sasana setun la jingiro yo Konrad ke sangma menteri rangba ka Sorkar jala namar dei rangba ka jingira menteri rangba basa urlong ke multi facility center Byrnihat kumtana kaliang ba sasana setun la kentui kipat ba kamtam kinong yalam shnong bakin ri bersumar bahaya ke jingtai kenang bakan long ka bane islam barban ashisha kata ka jingmento ya kipat ba.
Before coming to this program, I was just tracing our WhatsApp text of both of us. In fact, where I shared every step, every update on for this MFC, and when it has gone to PW department for technical approval, I used to send it to him. He used to take up with the PW department. When I sent to planning department, sir used to take up with the concerned department. And we are only the medium through which this program has come to this Byrnihat village. But I would like to thank sir for this continuous initiative and pursuing this project, and we would like to even appreciate the Government of India for having this kind of a project, Article 2751. And this project is of around 60 lakhs project. And I still remember, as I said, I was tracing that communication in the December of 2022 that we gave the final sanction. So the communication reached the block in the year 23. So in a matter of around 2.5 years, this building could be constructed. For this, I would like to congratulate the VEC for taking up this construction in a fast-track manner, and also the quality aspect of the construction also has been taken care of. So I would like to congratulate the entire village and all functionaries who are responsible for the construction, and I would like to thank our Honorable Minister in charge for taking this initiative, and our Honorable Chief Minister for graciously accepting our proposal, and all people who are responsible for ensuring this project is completed today.
It's a center that can be used for different kind of purposes, as has already been briefed. It's a center which can help the different kind of cultural, sports and community aspirations translate into reality. The students of here, the students from the locality, the aspirants from locality, the different kind of performers from locality, whatever training program, whatever coaching program, etc. have to be organized, they can all be organized over here. The community gatherings can take place over here. So, I mean, as the name suggests, it's a multi-facility center. It will be used for facilitating all kinds of events. And sir, so for example, the coaching program that we recently organized under your leadership, that kind of program we can very happily organize it, facilities like these as well. So I really congratulate the community on getting this under Article 275(1). At this time, I would also like to acknowledge the leadership that has been shown by the vision that has been shown by Honorable PM and Honorable CM of Meghalaya, through which interventions like these are possible, wherein the communities which have mostly been marginalized, they are getting advantage, or they are getting support other than the schemes which are already existing for the rest of the country. So again, without taking much time, I'd like to congratulate the community, and I'd also like to congratulate the VEC for doing a very good job. I can see the construction quality. In fact, if I remember correctly, there was no provision for electrification of the building in the original estimate, right? Right. But then with the intervention of Honorable MLA, now Honorable Minister Sir, as well as with the active involvement of VC, we have been able to electrify it as well. So my heartiest congratulations to the VC, my heartiest congratulations to the entire community members, and I hope that this multi-facility center becomes the venue where the aspirations and the dreams are translated into reality.
Plie kita sudah celebrate everyday mereka penting mereka multi-facilities center here aku Byrnihat mereka berkemen ki panung susung juga Byrnihat area hiborok kuwe dengan surat berpau ke Plie ke department nanti honorable chief minister mau tu kupur honorable chief minister ini mau ketika multi facility center kada benda syakiwe pati konsumsi ini nak tahu ngadon dekat hak tempur yo pankenen ya ngoyo kan di honorable chief minister nanta ngom ba ka cakang idon de di long ke bok ba mentah lagi kenika multi facility center la depan pendep bagi kemen paling ba kenika multi facility center hanya ko Byrnihat salak pan penon kam ki pai ba ki dan ko na kenika area Borni ki berkuai makan selong ka cimentoy la kita ki pai ba sini bagi lagi ke diksna ni tanat pada ko tengah ai ka jikublai ko pakapang ke senong ki berkuai irang ba senong Inangta ke BEC relation kia namta berpendap berbeda ketika multi facilities intas pertempang aku playa one of chief minister nomor ki lalaban berkat lalaban consider nak mata juni ban pendap berbeda ketika penting kepa mengingat depan implementasi kena ngaladat ban yo menekran bagi director juga nanti pada wilayah mana berkat ban habide kepang kenika multi facilities intas ngala kepat orang basnong bai pada komiti bikin form ka ya kenika komiti kerpang panpek nak bentah kenika multi facility center sekarang bagi nongkrong di badan kuwe area apa sidon kam kenika government programs sidon kam tinggal penuh kam kenika hall baka jungsa so kala pelong tepat ka senang baka lam kador kebarit lam ka kumka maintenance nang bide kenika hall nang baka ji tenak kenika hall kalong ka masak bane bak kejung serai ke di paiba di bendon baka jung rai juga senang di bendon nak kena senang dapat konsumsi kia bide kenika komiti kanang ba kalong kejingkerku ya ka senang berkuai pati pak yang senang di bendon akhirnya ke area tempat melihat properti Broadway.
meghalayapost.news